Guys, we're going to Cebu. We're going to Cebu. We're going to Cebu.
Fun with Ruth.
Ellie.
And Elisha.
Hi guys! We're off again to another adventure.
Cebu.
We're going to Cebu. We're now in Terminal 2. There. We're gonna fly via Air Asia. So this, our ticket, we booked it during the BPI fair, travel fair, and guess what? It's just 6,000 for the three of us. And that's round trip already. O, diba? Sobrang tipid. So, yan. Tara, pasok na tayo at mag-check-in. Originally, our flight is 10:05. Pero, na-move siya ng 11 p.m. So, check muna namin sa loob. Tapos kain kami. Time check. 8:38. Pwede na mag-check-in. Randy's first before we go to the boarding area. So we're gonna have dinner. Tapos bibili kami sa Jollibee. Oh, naiwan sila Daddy Ellie sa Randy's. And we're gonna buy dinner muna here sa Jollibee. Tapos mababa ka na sa Randy's kasi may init. Open area kasi dito. Yun. Terminal shuttle, oh, every 15 minutes. So from Terminal 2, Terminal 3, Terminal 1, yan. Okay. Randy's. Dito kami magdi-dinner para malamig. We're now waiting for our airplane.
To go to Cebu.
From 10:05 p.m. na departure, naging 10:40 at tapos naging 11 p.m.
I'm
So, na-delay.
excited.
Ayan. So, ang arrival namin sa Cebu is, hi, Daddy. Ang arrival namin sa Cebu is around 12:10 a.m. ng madaling araw. Tumawag na kami sa hotel. May mga tremors nung mga past days. So, nag-request kami ng lower floor na hotel room. Unfortunately, ang sabi sa amin is 35th floor naka-assign yung booking namin. So, sabi ko, baka pwede naman na lower floor. So, sabi may 20th floor room, pero mataas pa rin. So, we're gonna try to look at their room sa ground floor. It's a family room. May additional lang. Pero sana, pumayag sila na walang additional na. Ang hassle kasi pag biglang nagpa-evacuate, tapos, magagaling ka sa 20th floor. So, yun lang. Mamaya, sasakay na kami sa airplane.
Guys, I'm excited.
Yan. Look at our OOTD, oh.
Oh. Everyone is the same. Everyone is the same. One, two, three.
Yan.
We're the same. Mommy and me are the same.
Yeah. Saka black pants. Show your black pants. Black pants. Black pants. Iba lang yung shoes. So, yun lang.
Bye-bye. See you later. Guys, we're going to Cebu. We're going to Cebu. We're going to Cebu.
Bored na yung bata. Kaya yan, umuwi kasi bored na siya. Go, go, Go with daddy.
No jumping here. Just walk down.
Why? After I have the plane.
Yeah, just walk down. Ano na yung number natin?
10 ABC. 10 ABC. Go straight.
Dear
Go straight.
guests, the aircraft
Go
is
straight.
being
Go
refueled.
straight. Go straight.
For
go
your
straight.
safety,
Go
please
straight.
remain seated with seatbelts unfastened.
9.
Kindly switch off your electronic
Here.
devices and smoking in any form. Boarding pass.
Mahigpit din yung pinagbabawal ang paglipat ng upuan ng walang pahihilot.
Time check. 11:09.
Cabin crew arm on their side, cross check.
Well, this is Tony. 2002. Not too long.
We're here na. Exit. Ang ganda ng ano. Mactan International Airport. Oh, J Park. Doon kami sa last day. Kasi gusto ni Elisha yung J Park. Ay, yung ano pala, Pororo. Oh, it's a nice place. Ang ganda rin. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda na ng airport nila. Jollibee again.
Why?
Ano sa'yo? Since recently pala nag-earthquake dito, napasok namin si Elisha ng AirTag. Ayan. Or in case of emergency, mahanap namin siya through the AirTag. Or kahit na, kasi medyo malipot si Elisha ngayon eh, napaka-curious. Kung saan saan naglilibot. Eh minsan, tumitingin-tingin, tapos naiiwan. Ayan, at least, may AirTag siya.
Ito yung entrance.
Ayun.
Kasi it's a condo hotel.
So here, drop off.
Chip, drop, chip. No ball.
Okay. Marami ka na rin drop dito na. Kuya daw.
What is speaker?
Dito.
So we're going to
Ayan dyan, may swimming pool, may daanan dyan.
Here. Kuya, salamat po. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you, Kuya.
God bless.
Thank you. Ako lang. Sige na. Yes, this is a swimming pool. That's a swimming pool, Bebo, but it's closed. Here, other side.
Other side din.
We're here. At last, we arrived. Hi. Ooh. We're gonna check in first. Yeah. Okay, supposedly dapat nasa 20th floor kami. Nag-upgrade na lang kami to ground floor 05. Kasi nga, nagkaroon ng earthquake recently. Eh, pag nagpa-evacuate, it's gonna be super hassle and hirap for us to go down via the stairs. So, this is the room. It's nice. Yan. Ganda. There you go. Wow. The bed. Super nice. It's big. May sariling TV. Hindi ko pa nababa. Okay. Shower. Yan. Ganda ng hotel na to. In fairness. May soap, shampoo, conditioner. Yan. So, malinis naman siya.
Or what the remote for watching.
Wow.
Or
Okay.
what the
And
remote
then,
for watching.
for our mandatory checking, let's check the
So Daddy,
bed.
so
If it's
I'm
clean.
gonna have this
It's
today.
clean. The pillows. So far, it's clean.
You mean this?
There.
Ang ba't pinasok mo?
Wait. And then, the view. Okay. Here is the garden view. Pwede daw buksan, pero madilim na kasi. Bukas na lang. Pwede daw buksan tong balcony. Here, they have a vanity kit. May, ano to? Shower cap. May vanity kit. Dental kit. Ayan. Okay. And then ito, ano to dito? Nalagyan. And then, I think ref. What's in the ref? Okay. Nothing. There's nothing inside. May sugar coffee creamer.
Wait lang.
Water. We're gonna rest na. We're gonna settle and rest, okay? Okay, bye guys. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys, we're
Good
back.
morning.
We're back to Cebu.
No, we're back.
I'm just joking. So guys, do you still remember what I see sa car? Right? So guys, do you know something happened to the car? We bumped and jumped, but I got so scared. But it's fine. Sometimes kids get scared, but Arma.
May ginagawa daw kasi kagabi.
Yeah,
Tapos,
but-
uneven yung road.
Yeah,
So,
wait,
napatalon
Wait, let me do.
Yeah, wait. And
yung
then,
sasakyan.
and then our McDonald's food became moist, but it just fell down. I mean, we're gonna have
Later.
a tour. We're gonna have a tour now later.
Today.
City tour.
City tour today because of
This is your first time sa Cebu, di ba?
yeah, it's my first time from Cebu, and so we will.
Daddy too.
Daddy too.
Mommy, I went here before.
We just walked up to Cebu. So next first
Woke up in Cebu.
we woke up from Cebu. So we're gonna
Tour.
We're gonna go to Tita. It's her birthday today, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna go anywhere and walk, and some kind.
No, we're not gonna walk. We're gonna
And we're like gonna swim. We're gonna swim after Tita's
tomorrow.
birthday. Yeah, I mean tomorrow.
After eating, we're gonna look around sa mga amenities ng hotel. Careful, bebe. Ayan. This is the pool. Pero hindi pa kami magsiswim ngayon. Kasi aalis kami in a while para mag-city tour. They said that this is one of the biggest daw na swimming pool here in Cebu City. Ayan. Tapos may kiddie side dun, oh. Ayan. Pool deck.
Let's go to the next view. Come on.
Next to you. Ayan. Actually, mga ano to, mga condo around the area.
Go down and be careful if there's a water.
Ito, nandito yung lower ground. I think nandito yung garden, tsaka yung gym. May daan kaya dito?
No, this is the playground.
Pero dito yung room namin
This is
banda.
the playground. Guys, you know this. Guys, you
Ooh.
know, guys, you know this is the playground.
This is the gym. And the playground. This is the playground, bebe. Yan. May laundry dito, saka water. We're going to the roof deck to look at the view and then we're gonna go down agad. Kasi nagkaroon ng earthquake dito recently. And ayaw namin ma-stop dito sa taas. That's why. Wow! Look at that! It's so nice. Here.
Whoa.
This place is so nice. This is Cebu, baby. Look. Wow. Oh, this is Cebu. Look at the view. It's so nice. You can see all around, baby. Come on. Here, here.
Come here. Mommy.
Here, here, baby. No. Come here. Wow. It's so beautiful. Look. Yeah, it's gonna be fast now. Wow. Ang ganda, oh. Kitang-kita yung view here. Wow. It's basa. Ang ganda. Yan. So, dito rin banda yung breakfast. We're at CNT. Go to the left.
Is this lechon? 'Cause
Yeah.
I'm eating that.
Cebu is known for their lechon.
No.
CNT.
Me too. I don't like it. Kawawa naman. No, I make this dead. No.
I'll take your picture. This is the menu of CNT. Ayun. Ang CNT daw pangalan ng may-ari. Ito yung lechon nila regular, may spicy, may boneless. Yan. Tapos aside from that, meron pang ibang mga pagkain na hindi lechon dito. Sweet and sour fish, may vegetable, may noodles, may soup, tsaka marami pang iba. Yung in-order namin, 1/4 na lechon kasi good for 2 packs na raw yan. Tapos, bami. Ano yan? Combination ng ganton, tsaka gisado. Tsaka plain rice. Hindi na kami bumili masyadong marami kasi start pa lang yung tour namin. Baka mapanis lang. Here's our food. Lechon. And then bami. And then rice. Hala, ang dami ng rice. Ang dami ng rice. Hindi ko alam na marami. Yan. Kasama namin, ito yung mga order. Rice, chop suey, broccoli and cauliflower, dinuguan. Ayan, puro gulay. Ayan, let's eat. Sarap. This is how much you need to pay. It's 120 for regular, and then 100 for senior PWD. Tapos may cottage, tapos prenup, 2.5. Libre na doon yung 5 persons. Yun. So, bayad muna tayo.
Oh, it's gonna rain.
This is the original Siral Garden. Meron daw isa pa eh. Yan. It's a bag for your doll. Oh, you hold kay daddy.
35 each. 3 for 100.
Oh, later let's look. Playground. Ba't naka-open? From there, dito kami sa other side. Nakita namin, meron pa pala dun sa may dulo. There. Andun pala yung kamay. Ayan. Diba? Punta tayo sa may kamay, Han?
Not really.
Look at the nails, it's red.
Careful.
Okay, let's go sa Big Hen. You do. Go, can you climb on your own?
Yan, aakit sila. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko talaga kaya yung ganyang kataas. Yan. Careful, guys!
Then catch Elisha given. It's a breathtaking view. Hindi nakakit.
Outside, may mga bilihan ng souvenirs and food. Yan ako. Ito yung van namin for the tour. We got it from Familianes Travel and Tours here in Cebu. Ayun na ulang Marishes.
Tops.
Ito, Lodi.
Kana.
Yan, Lodi Marishes. We're here.
Ito yung pinaka maganda doon sa taas. Oh, mabot kami ah.
It's a good thing we're here before the sunset. So we're gonna watch the sunset here. There's an entrance, there's a souvenir shop. There. And then yung ticket naman, babayaran doon sa may entrance. It's 100 regular, and then 70 for senior PWD. Ito yung mga kainan. Steak, top of Cebu. Kanina parang may nakita akong boss. Soraya. Polar treats, sorbetes. Ayan yung boss upstairs. Spud Rocket. Ito lahat ng kainan. Si Elisha nag-posing. Ayan. Nasa second floor ako. Ngayon. Wow, look at the view. Ayun lang. If you want to go to the topmost part, you need to pay again. Ayan. Ito yung akyat. Paakyat. Tapos dun yung punta niyo sa pinakataas. Around 50 pesos yung isang tao. Pero dito kasi okay na eh. So, ganda ng view. Skyline. So romantic. Very nice for a date. So, kapag couple kayo na pupunta dito, or kunwari honeymoon, anniversary, dapat kasama to sa itinerary. We got our merienda. Going back to Elisha and Daddy and wala. Napaus ako bigla. Let's go. Let's go back. May live pala na kumakanta. Dito sa gitna. We're now in Solea, Mactan Resort. Hatid namin yung kasama namin, tapos magdi-dinner kami. Yan, let's go! Dinner buffet. Dapat dito kami magbubuk, pero hindi na namin tinuloy. Kasi we want to try talaga si J-Park. Parang ang per night dito 4K? 3 to 5K. Yan. So, try na lang natin yung buffet nila. Ganda ng lobby. Special. Ito yung mga a la carte nila. Wow, let's look at the menu for the buffet. I think there's a wide selection. What's this? May pad pak tuwam. Ano yun? Chicken tikka masala. Fresh catch day. Wow, may fish. Lechon baka. Crispy pata. Noodles. You can make your own noodles, bebe. You can make your own noodles. Yeah. And then Chinese style pork. Oh. Check nyo na lang. And then pizza. Move, bebe. Then you can make your own pizza. Pasta station. Here.
Pizza.
Plain rice, shrimp paella, mga rice, fish escabeche.
Barbecue.
Wow! Wide range yung buffet nila. Ooh, tempura! Our favorite! And maki! Chicken! Chicken and bread for the dessert. Oh, they have kakanin. I love it.
My favorite.
Wow, and cake. Wow. Nako, mabubusog tayo ngayon.
Wow.
And they have ice cream, bebe.
Look,
Here.
come here. Come here.
What?
Look. You can pick your own jelly.
Yeah, they have ice cream, bebe.
You can pick your own
Look,
jelly.
ice cream.
Wait. You can make your own ice cream.
Yes,
Yeah.
careful.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, they have samgyeopsal. Here. Samgyeopsal.
What's this?
Oh, ano to? Korean. Oh, they have kimchi. Wow. Love it. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go to our table na. Okay, can't wait to eat.
There's no more food.
You tell them, can't wait to eat na. We're gonna tell you later how it goes. Come on.
Can we eat now? We will tell you later how it goes. Bye.
But wait, there's more. Meron pa pala dito sa entrance. May kids corner. They have orange chicken quick. Ayan. Sarap. And then nachos. Saya tacos. In fairness, for the price, okay siya. Ang wide ng variety niya. Hindi siya yung putyo-putyo lang na buffet menu. Tapos may popcorn, may fries. Let's go. Let's try it na. Busog, we're going home. Yes. Home pala, hotel na. Not
When we're
home.
going to the hotel, we're gonna like eat a little bit.
No. Why are you still hungry?
Yeah.
It's 12:38 and we're gonna go to here. We're gonna go to IT Park, Coffee Bear. Let's see. Careful. Mag-grab na tayo pa uwi. From there, yung hotel. Ito, lakad straight. Tapos kanan. Tapos kaliwa, doon na yung IT Park. Ganun lang siya kalapit. So, okay din yung ano niya. Location. The Midnight Gang. Going to IT Park. Ito na. Ito na yung gate ng IT Park. Yan. This is IT Park na. This is the business district of Cebu. This is Coffee Bear. It's so cute. It's open 24/7. Since IT Park is a parang offshore call center area. At 24/7, walang tulugan. So 24/7 din sila here. So we're gonna try their best sellers. Let's see. May all-day combo pala sila. Coffee. Let me see. What did you choose? Purple for daddy. How about mommy? What color? It's pink. How about you?
Pink.
Oh, why pink?
Girls.
Okay. Come on. This is mine. This is Daddy's and this is for you. Let's try it. Yata. Ito Coffee Bay, oh. There's another coffee shop. This is open pa, the Celtic. Coffee Bean is open.
McDonald's.
Jayco is open. Nag-grab na lang kami going back. Baka kasabot na kami ulan. Let's go. So, Grand Residences din dito. So, ito yung other entrance. Kung saan pwedeng magpa-drop off. And that ends our very long first day in Cebu. If you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.